What's up, guys?
This is Danny HP.
And Jessica T.
We are gonna pull a prank on Billy, and it's gonna be a toothpaste and a cupcake.
We'll let you know the steps we're taking.
Step 1, we are preheating the oven to 350.
1 cup of water. Lucy? A little bit too much water in there. A little bit too much. Perfect. Three large eggs. Danny, you want to crack them?
Yep.
Let's see how good of an egg cracker he is.
This is how to crack an egg.
No shells. Impressive.
Second egg.
No shells again.
And a third egg.
Beautiful. Perfect. I think it is 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, I think we were supposed to fill them 1/2 of the way full, and we filled them all the way full.
Oh, wow.
These cupcakes may explode. Oh goodness. I don't know. It says to fill it only halfway, and we filled it all the way.
I don't do a lot of cupcakes.
Me either. I haven't made cupcakes since I
I
can
love
remember.
cupcakes.
Crush those Oreos.
How is that cupcake? Really good, huh? What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would say an 8.8.
Oh wow, you guys make pretty good cupcakes, huh?
Billy's turn.
I can trust you guys. There's no blah, blah, blah.
How was it?
I give it a 9.8. Leading, Danny Stewart. Ooh, that is a big bite.
Yummy.
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Let's see what it looks like. Look at that Oreo on it.
Oreo.
Some vanilla frosting. You put some what? Marshmallows on it too?
Yep.
Ooh. How is it?
Good.
What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give it a 8.
An 8. Ooh, that must be pretty good.
Wow, guys, that prank video backfired. I didn't know Billy was gonna take the small cupcake. But I took the big cupcake, I ate it, and now I have to go and drink a glass of water. I hope you enjoyed this video. Pranked on
Daddy Ace P.